step into the cosmic dance of the universe, where every moment is an epic adventure waiting to unfold. Ever wondered how our solar system moves through the galaxy? Brace yourself for a mind-bending journey at 500,000 miles per hour, with Earth as our vibrant oasis amidst the celestial symphony. As we rocket through space, surrounded by satellites and celestial wonders, prepare to delve deeper into the mysteries of the asteroid belt and the enigmatic Kuiper belt. These cosmic realms hold secrets beyond imagination, waiting to be uncovered. Earth, our vibrant oasis in the vastness of space, teeming with life and wonder, surrounded by a symphony of satellites and celestial bodies. While we go about our daily lives, our little blue planet is hurtling through space at incredible speeds. Spinning at 1,000 miles per hour and racing around the sun at close to 70,000 miles per hour, it's a whirlwind adventure like no other. Join us on an exhilarating odyssey through the cosmos, where every discovery unveils a new chapter in the story of our universe. Most of us think of it as a static system. We understand that planets revolve around the sun, but beyond that, we don't really discuss its movement as a whole. The solar system is traveling around the Milky Way galaxy on a 60-degree angle between the galactic plane and the planetary orbital plane. Let's look at its side profile, and you can see the Milky Way disk in the background. Let's zoom out so you can get an idea of its positioning in the galaxy. Right now, we are a bit above the galactic plane, and we are heading up, and in 15 million years or so, we will start to head back down. With all this in mind, it's moving in a way that I never really thought about until I saw a video on it. While this is not to scale, it gives you a good understanding of the movement. The sun is cruising around the galaxy as the planets rotate around the sun. The planets and sun are on the same plane, so they are not being dragged behind the sun or forming any type of wake or vortex. But this is still a great depiction of the solar system's movement around the galaxy. The solar system itself is wrapped up in a giant protective bubble called the heliosphere. It helps shield us from dangerous incoming galactic radiation, and our solar system actually has a tail. While some believe it is more like a comet with a tail, there are other models of our protective bubble. But the heliosphere is not the end of the sun's influence. Beyond the heliosphere, there are more objects under the gravitational influence of our sun. Moving out, we can see that the entire solar system is moving through an interstellar medium of very low-density hydrogen gas. More specifically, we are moving through the local interstellar cloud. Alpha Centauri and Sirius are also pictured here. The entire cloud is about 30 light-years in length, and its movement is indicated by the blue arrows. As we move out, we see our local interstellar neighborhood. It's approximately 50 light-years across and contains about 1,000 star systems. Many of these stars also have their own family of planets orbiting them. We are orbiting the galaxy at 137 miles per second. Most other stars are also orbiting the galaxy at roughly the same speed, but the stars around us are also moving randomly, relative to one another. So, that means that the distances between the stars around us are not fixed, and they pass by one another from time to time. The position of stars in the sky appears fixed to us on small time scales, but they are moving and interacting. It's a dynamic and ever-changing system. About every 50,000 years, a star will pass near our solar system. That may not sound very frequent, but over the time that light has been on this planet, 80,000 wandering stars have passed near our solar system. It was recently discovered that a small binary star system shows a star pass through the Oort cloud about 70,000 years ago. It would have looked much bigger than a normal star in the night sky. Could these close encounters provide a chance to visit other star systems and planets? Could these close encounters have enabled various life forms to spread across the galaxy more easily? With all this in mind, We are doing this dance around the Milky Way galaxy with some 300 billion other star systems, each of them containing their own planets. We are not just in our own little isolated bubble. We are connected to the solar system, local star groups, and the Milky Way, like little atoms speeding around the galaxy center. Are we part of a larger, more complex entity? If we take a step back and look beyond our familiar interstellar neighborhood, spanning about 50 light years, we encounter something remarkable: the local bubble. This expansive region, stretching around 1,000 light years across, is home to a staggering 7 million stars. But what sets it apart is its scarcity of gas and dust, earning it the moniker local bubble. This extraordinary bubble owes its existence to a series of cataclysmic supernovas that occurred around 14 million years ago. Picture this. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it goes out with a bang, unleashing a spectacular explosion that scatters gas and debris far and wide, leaving behind a luminous supernova remnant. At the bubble's periphery, gravity pulls gas and dust inward, birthing new stars in the process. And here's the kicker. Our solar system just happened to wander into this cosmic bubble about 5 million years ago, a mere blip in its ancient history. But the local bubble isn't an isolated phenomenon. It's just one of countless explosion-forged bubbles scattered throughout the Milky Way's spiral arms. These cosmic bubbles dance and collide, shaping the ever-changing landscape of our galaxy in mesmerizing ways. Much like these newborn stars, our own solar system took shape amidst a bustling stellar nursery, surrounded by thousands of stars and vast clouds of gas and dust. Out of the ashes of old stars, thousands of newborn stars emerge, sparking a cosmic cycle of birth and rebirth. These stellar marvels propagate through explosive events, undergo transformation within stellar nebulae, and sustain themselves through the miraculous process of fusion. It's a celestial circle of life, unlike any other. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Stars don't just create more stars, they also lay the groundwork for the birth of planets, including our own humble abode. Picture this. In the early cosmic era, the universe was brimming with just hydrogen and helium. Yet, through the cosmic dance of gravity, these primordial elements began to coalesce, birthing the first generation of stars. From these stellar pioneers, heavier elements like iron emerged, enriching the cosmic landscape. And as these heavy elements dispersed throughout the cosmos, they paved the way for the formation of planets like ours, complete with iron cores. So, when I tell you that other stars played a role in giving birth to our sun and our planet, I'm not exaggerating one bit. It's a tale as old as the space itself. But what are your thoughts about this exploration? Comment down below, subscribe to Space Episodes for upcoming educational videos related to space science, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video until the end.